Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we were just in the beautiful 1400 Hiline apartments. This is their 2-bedroom. We just took a look at the living room and the kitchen, and now we're gonna go back out on this balcony. First of all, the balcony is very big, very large. That's probably about 20 feet large. And we've got a large balcony, and then we have got a fantastic view of the city. So this is right next to 35. By the way, I didn't hear a thing about 35 or any of the traffic when I was inside, when I had closed the door. So you've got a beautiful traffic easy path to go to. There's the American Airlines Center, by the way. It's right over there. You could walk to it. The Katy Trail is literally right over there. Right over there, you could walk to the Katy Trail. There's local tap and table. That's right over there. You could walk to it, and you're in the design district, so you can walk to shops and restaurants in here too. You can quickly get to downtown, Victory Park, Uptown, the airport about 15 minutes away, and the Trinity River, Margaret Hunt Hill Bridge is right over there. It's that white bridge. So it's a great location to get in, almost anywhere in Dallas super quick. Love this location. This is a perfect location to start your life here in Dallas. Hey, if you're ready to take that tour of this beautiful place, then what I want you to do is send me a text. Just use the number below. Send me a text and just say, hey, Grant, I'd like to take a virtual tour or a live tour. By the way, I closed the balcony door, and I can't hear a thing. So great protection from noise. It's just a beautiful experience. So send that text. I look forward to hearing from you. We can set up the text the tour as early as today or tomorrow, or just chat about apartments. It's a free service. Love to work with you. Look forward to hearing from you.